Don't fall into the holiday trap. Most businesses, most entrepreneurs, they schedule their businesses based on the holidays. Instead, use the holidays to your advantage and get to work, friend. Don't don't allow the vibe or the energy of everybody being off for the holiday make you feel like you should be off as well, right? T- by by taking that extra day while everybody is off, they're taking a break, they might be on vacation, they might be out doing something else, right, other than work. You can use this for your advantage. Use the day to prep, right? Get organized. You might use the day to plan ahead. You might use the day to work on some projects that you need to finish, that you kind of maybe been behind, but by using this day to your advantage, you just get a little boost, right? So usually these holidays, and I'm in the United States, so wherever you are around the world, you guys have different holidays. But for us in the United States, we have these federal holidays where at least once a month, right? Everybody shuts down, right? The post office shuts down, banks, businesses, everybody's off for the day. And we take a little break and then we come back the next day or the next weekend or next weekday or whatever it is. But what I like to do is I try to treat those holidays, as just regular days. They're just another day to get some work done, to be productive, to just get ahead, just keep moving forward, right? And I'm not saying you shouldn't take any holidays, any breaks, any vacation time. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying, do you have to take all of them? Right? If they give you, when I say they, the holiday government, however it's the holiday system, okay, how it's set up is you might get one, two, sometimes even three holidays a month. If you took one last month, do you need to take one this month too? Right? Try to minimize how many holidays you're giving yourself. If you're already taking off the weekends, do you need that extra 3-day holiday every month? Pick and choose, because if you can find days or holidays that you can just keep moving forward, you get a competitive edge, because again, you might offer something on that holiday that other businesses, they're closed, right? For example, I've seen on some holidays in the United States, Walmart will be open versus all the other grocery stores are shut down. So people who need those last minute holiday meals, there's nowhere else to go. Walmart's open, right? They're not in that mindset of it's a holiday, everybody has to close. And that's not for every holiday. There are some holidays where they do shut down, but then there's a lot of holidays where they don't. So they stand out by being open. They get that advantage because now they're taking all their competitors' customers. They're like, guess what? Walmart's open. I'm going to go shop with them, because if I don't shop with them, I don't have no other solution. So you be the solution on those days where, again, everybody else is shut down. Or be the solution for yourself if you're not going to open up to your customers, right? Be the solution for yourself by planning, prepping, getting yourself ready for the next open business day. So that way, again, you just get that advantage. Use it to your advantage. So think about it. What's the next holiday that's coming up? What is it? And is it one that you can afford to skip out on, right? Instead of participating with the family, maybe it's an event that the family doesn't get together, okay? And it's just a regular old, when I say regular holiday, it's just a business holiday that businesses are closed. Use that to your advantage, so that way, again, you can plan, prep, okay? What, again, not just use it to your advantage, but what can you do? Be specific, write it down. Okay, so find the holiday that's coming up next, and then write down some action steps that you can take on that day. And then when that day comes, do it. Follow up, make sure that you stay true to your intention. Okay, don't plan to do that and then don't do it. Okay, your word is bond to yourself as well. So make that plan to do it. And also drop it in the comments. I want to know, what's the next holiday where you are? whether you're in the United States or overseas or wherever in the world. Drop it in the comment and then tell me what's one thing that you're going to do, that you're committing to right now, that when that holiday comes, this is what you're going to do on that day, and then do it. All right. I love to see what you've got coming up, friend. Till next time, stay bright, stay beautiful, and keep on smiling. Later, Gator. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.